For the past few days, I have searching and analyzing different job seeking platforms and websites. And one thing become very clear to me. Finding the right job is not easy. Most job platforms don't really understand your resume. You search manually, apply filter again and again, and still end up seeing irrelevant job listing. So I started thinking, what if there is a system where you simply upload your resume and the app understands your skills, experience, and role preferences? And based on that it finds job that actually matches your profile. No endless filtering, no guessing, just relevant job opportunities. And that's exactly what I'm going to build today. You will get real job listing along with direct links, so you can immediately go there and apply. And the best part, I'm not going to build this using traditional coding. I'm going to build this using AI. For this, I'm going to use a tool called Lovable allows to describe the app I want to build, define the user flow, and generate a working product much faster. Let's start with that. So, here is the website. If you watched my previous videos, I have already explained how this works and also Lovable connectors and everything. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and let me just explain what is this. So, this is an AI website builder. Okay, and here if you are new here you have to just go with get started, and you have to go with continue with Google or continue with GitHub, or you can go with email as well. I will go with continue with Google. So as you can see, I finally log in here and this is my dashboard, you can say. Now here what we have to do is, you can say, I have already created this one. So here what you have to do is write a prompt. Okay, so I have created this prompt using ChatGPT, and by using my idea and vision, I just asked to ChatGPT for a better prompt, and it created that. So here is the plan. The user upload a resume. The app parses the resume to extract skills and roles. Then it searches a real-time job listing using a job API. And finally, it shows relevant job with apply link. This is going to be an MVP, not a perfect product. So now let's click here. And as you can see here, it started thinking about the whole prompt designing of the site and everything. Then it gives us a clear vision of the website and everything. So let's just do it. So guys, finally it thought, and here is the design directions, features and everything. So let me just take a look. So here in the, so guys, the design directions are good and I like that. And about the features, if you can see here, the features are amazing, like drag and drop and the parsing simulation, that cools. Okay, that nice. About the cloud here, so let me tell you one thing, that Lovable not only create designs and UI only, but it also manages backend as well. So if you want, it can store data, retrieve or maintain the whole backend. Also add LLM to your app. So just think about it, what this can do. So let's use it. Okay, so what I will do is I will use this cloud server. Okay, so I will just allow it. Okay, and here after allowing the cloud, it start thinking, and it will maintain the backend as well as database and the whole design. So that was a very nice thing. Okay, so let's check how this actually works or not. So let's try it. So we have to wait a little bit, and now here you can see it started creating. As you can see here, uh, it started install framer motion already for the animation and designs. And here you can see it added AI like chat, image generation and the text analysis with zero setup, and that was amazing. And really guys, I can't wait to see my actual site, how it look like using these type of stuffs like LLM and everything. In the meantime, let me tell you about the right portion. Here you can preview our site, so when it completed you can check the preview here. Okay, and not only that, but you can visually edit as well using this option here. Okay, So don't worry, I will give you detail of everything here, so be with us and watch the video till the end. So guys, look at this. Finally our website is ready and here is our preview. Here let's check how many pages. So there is a single page, that is this one, and let's check how it works and everything. So if you go below here, it says what it builds. Okay, so you can drag and drop PDF or doc files, and the AI will just parse your skills, roles, and experience level, and it will just fetch the job and skill based data. Okay, so how it works is to upload your resume and it will just extract your data and match the job. So let's check, is it really working or not. So here click on this to preview in a new tab here, and now let's do one thing. So here click here and upload a sample, and here look at this. So we have data, that is target role software engineer, experience level is senior level, and skill detected is these things. Now let's check, is it really correct or not. So let's open it a new tab. So now you can compare directly here. So look at this. So it's a software engineer, and yeah, it's correct, with a 5 year of experience, 5 year of experience, and that's correct. And about the skill detected is here, you can see they have JavaScript, Python, Java, React, Node.js, Django. So JavaScript, Python, Node.js, PostgreSQL, Docker, CI/CD, Git, Azure, okay, Git, Docker, Linux, and everything. So yeah, it extracted perfectly, but not precise. As you can see here, we want the name as well here. Okay, it just extracted almost perfect, but we need some changes. So let me just close this one. Okay, and now let's go back here, and here what we have to do is add some changes here. So what I will do is, so what I did is I want to make the extraction part perfect, because you can see the name is not showing there. So what I tell is to showing the name as well and about the skills, and it would have to extract each and every skills and just compare with the job, so that it will give you a approximate result about your chances of getting hired. Okay, so let's click here, and now you can see it start thinking. So now look at this guys, it start reading all the files, and here now it start updating the file as well. So let's check our updated file. So finally the changes we want is now completed, and let's see how this looks like. So here let's go to the new tab here, and let's refresh this first one, and now let's upload the resume here. So let's select the resume here and upload it. So here you can see the resume is uploading, and it takes a little time, but now look at this. The name is fetched perfectly with their designation as well as email, their experiences, their target roles, their skills, their languages, and so on. So let's move to the job part here. So look at this. Here there are 65% is the best match, and yeah, according to the skills they have and the experiences they gain is depend over it. So if I just show you here, is this is senior solution architect, and they want many languages like more than this, like TypeScript, Kubernetes, but they don't have. So this is 65%, and that is maximum for the role. And if you can see here, there are other countries name here like Munich, but if you see, they all are remote. Okay, so basically the thing here is, if you from India, the India date will become at top, but if you are from other country, then depends over your country, the jobs are showing here. Okay, and yeah, these all jobs are real. If I just click here on apply now, look at this, fetched perfectly, and yeah, it is good. So now you understand how I have created this, and you can check it out as well. I will publish it as soon as possible, but in the upcoming video we will just make it a little better, like adding some cover letter designing, and add some features as well to make your smoother. Okay, and yeah, we will try to add some real job API to make it even looks better. So let's see, we will do it. Okay, so that's all about today's video. So see you in the next video, guys. Happy coding.